Hi, and today I have this small instrument. This is an indicator for forward and lateral velocity of a sinking helicopter. There are two galvanometers. You can see one is stuck. This is an old indicator, and we can see also the connector. You can use this kind of indicator if you want to know that something is centered to something else. Let's see if we can repair this indicator. Very nice. Okay, we can see the galvanometers. Okay, so there is effectively a friction. Actually, there are 4 galvanometers. 2 others are used for the flag. One here and the second one here. And it seems that there are tin whiskers. I don't know if we can see on the camera. On the magnet area here. Okay, I have unscrewed a little bit this screw here. And you can see that this thing seems working now. That's all for this forward and lateral velocity indicator. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.